Okay, so I'm hoping that you guys can see me, because, well, I wasn't really going to do a video on this because honestly I just rather listen to my headphones, but I'll do a video on this. I just gotta find a safe place for those. Okay, yeah, I know. Safe place. So, and you can tell by the title, I'm going to be canning up some ground beef. I don't have a lot of ground beef that I'm going to be canning, and you might have seen or will see, I don't know. I'm going to be making hamburgers, and I'm going to be packaging some of this up for frozen, and I'm canning some of it. So I just have my pan here heating up, and I'm sweating, I'm really warm. And here I've got roughly 5 pounds of ground beef. So I'm just going to partially cook it. I don't fully cook mine. I just get it going. Because I don't like the idea of raw meat going into a jar. That's just me. If you guys want to do that, then do that. That's just not my style. So, I'm going to bring you guys back. I'll bring you guys back when this is more on the lines of being done and being put into jars. So we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so I have the meat cooked to where I want it. And I also added some water to it because I personally find that makes it a little bit nicer. Oh, I guess I'll start with this one over here. And I am just going to fill these up. I don't drain the fat off. It all goes on in there. You want 1-inch headspace. You need to debubble. Need my paper towel. And then we're going to wipe the rims. You want to use a vinegar or a vodka to get the rims clean because you want to make sure the grease is off the rims. And then we're going to put a ring on it. No, that's not a ring, that's a lid. And we're going to put a ring on it. And then it's going to go into the canner for 75 minutes because I'm canning pints. So I'll bring you guys back when all these are done. And there we go. I ended up with 5 pints of the ground beef. And it looks like they're all going to seal because you can probably see that these bubbles are just going crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Canning ground beef is super easy to do. So it really doesn't take very long. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will talk to you again really soon. Bye.